Welcome everyone to Bam's Garage. This is my garage. It's gonna be a magical place. I'm just gonna get a lot of shit done and post it. Got a lot of great ideas. Idea number one is, oh, pardon me, hold up. Idea number one, which is kind of needed. I need to fix my wagon right here. This is a BMW 535 Xi 08 with the N54. It's an awesome car, pretty rare, and I love it, but didn't matter because I still hit a pole when I was driving home from work in the snow, and it ate the shit out of my car. All right, guys, time for damage analysis. So, bumper's cooked. Headlights might be fine, maybe. That one might be kind of cooked. The hood is cooked completely, obviously. Destroyed that thing. This sport bar needs to go. The brake bar, bracket bar, whatever you call it, reinforcement bar, I don't know. It's a bar. To absorb all the crash has to go. Condenser, radiator, intercooler. You can see right here, man. I think that's the oil cooler. It started spewing oil when I pulled it. It does run. It still runs. I pulled it in and it spewed. So that's a good sign. But yeah, man, I just need to start tearing this apart. So as of now, we have the hood off. The crash bar is off. That thing is was hard. Bumper's off. We moved just that top frame piece over to the side. Headlights are chilling over there with a bunch of other plastic shit. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little more teardown and I'll show you guys the full damage.
Check it out. We've upgraded to first person view. So I've been working on this. This fan is literally just disintegrated. I don't know if you can see in there, but it's gone. There's supposed to be like a fan in this spot, so we're gonna pop these off quick. You know, this kind of works, kind of doesn't. Oh my gosh, I don't care about oil leaks right now. That's not the priority. Oh my. All right. Yeah, that's not supposed to look like that. There's supposed to be a fan on the back. Damn. Here's something going on. Oh. That's cooked. Is this... Oh no. Oh, dude, look at that. That's not supposed to do that. Oof, please don't have a ton of coolant. Oh, wonderful, not a drop. Now, I think we can get it out. Technically, there's one more I'm supposed to take off, but it is cooked. Hey! All right. Radiator's off, you know, it's cooked. Oh, shit. Got a nice dent there. This, whoo! So this is completely broke off. All right, now, shit, can I take this off? Almost. Ah, there's the condenser. Yeah, we definitely need a new one. Got plastic bits everywhere. Oh, the intercooler just drops. How about that, one-handed? I'm gonna clean this up. We're at a good spot here. I'm gonna clean it up, and then we'll go from there. All the junk here, there's a couple things that can be used, but most of this is just not getting used. Intercooler, oil cooler, all that type of stuff. Headlights, bumper, hood, the support. Time to look at what some of the real damage is. So some big things. This obviously right here, this is supposed to look straight like that. So I'm gonna have to get that back in place. That is gonna be hard, but I'm planning on, I got some ideas. Got to still bend that back right there. It's not too bent. This side doesn't need much. Some things I didn't know, which you'll see. Thermostat
the pipe just ripped right out, and I just replaced that, so that's awesome. And the water pump, dude, like blew up. The backside was plastic, so you can actually see right here. Yeah, so new water pump, new thermostat. That's whatever. I know how to do it pretty good, so I'm not too worried about that. This plastic piece that goes from the turbo back here into up front over here. I think where the diverters are. I gotta replace that. That's not a huge deal. And then yeah, I just have that chilling up there because it's connected to the hood pull. But overall, it's bad. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. This was fun. There's a lot that needs to be done still. Next video, I'm hoping to go to the junkyard or something. I need to get a lot of parts. Still haven't found an N54 5 Series at the junkyard, but I haven't looked fully yet, so hopefully it'll be there. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to do some part sourcing. So yeah, give me a little time to source parts. I'll probably make a junkyard video, and we'll get right back on it. So yeah, that'll do it. Peace.